won't stop. You did. I can't help to dream big, for that's in my nature. I see me jet flying, styling, profiling just like the flavor. I smoke joints, bitch, fuck a vapor. I'm on some other shit, the shit that I kick deeper than moon craters. My attitude, there's no right and do better. Find a new treasure, she fuck with me cause I know pleasure. Genuine gestures given to her, leaving us so flooded. Beyond the pity, bigger picture, I know what really matters. I've been there, baby, yes, I've been shy. I done caused some habit. Some are waiting till a healthy habit. But I ain't tripping, I'm just getting everything I'm wishing. God be looking out cause we cool like that, you did. But I let some ratchet taste my magic. I know life better when you make it out the tragedy. Watch me jump out the pressure with plenty blessings. Too much left of my present to ever give up on existing. Who are you to ever think that I would stop this shit? I'm on top of this, like a freestyle, I'm on spot with this. It ain't nothing, choosing my battle so wisely, so nicely. For the love of you, like Isley, like Spike. Fully committed to my craft, like my nigga. You can stand the chest to my psyche. It's no hoes boss when I come with flows. I drop bars like bows from dusty roads, damaging foes. Like a bullhorn, bro, I let you know. Shit is a ritual, nothing typical, sometimes cynical. Coming from the spiritual, majorly no minimal. It's the gifted flow, what you want that? Lyrical. Okay, so let me proceed to fulfill the needs of all the people out here fucking with me. I'm feeling the beat, I'm feeling you should hear what I speak. I'm feeling the sweep, I'm feeling we are back in the feet. They want us to weep, but we can never ever be weak. They want us to sleep, so we don't see the way that they cheat. But one step ahead of them killers in silence, so vibrant. My aura blazing, rules like they say it. Don't forget the super, me I'm the ruler. The Yonzuli Zayu, the trip shit will do it to you. Bars will go through you like hallelujah. May go hard the floor, seduce the bitch like Kama Sutra. Living your dreams like you saw Kruger. A nightmare for losers. Wish I would do it to you, lyrical Ruger. The spiritual trooper, the diggable mover. I rip shit and flip shit, the trilling maneuver. The killer, the shooter. Knock you down, I'm going for Benjamin. I'm loaded with plenty. You niggas on empty. You niggas you envy. You taking the heat that niggas gon' need if you fuck with a frenzy, huh? See me as a lord like King Yakim, and I'm loaded with Sammy. Bitch.
Nah, fuck that nigga, you knew that shit, nigga. You know that shit, nigga. That shit sitting in your motherfucking soul, nigga. You know I'm fucking better than you. You know I can do this shit better than you, nigga. You know I can rhyme better than you, nigga. You know that shit's fucking true, nigga. You know that shit is motherfucking profitable, nigga. You know that shit is motherfucking what my word, nigga. My word is better than your word, nigga. Nigga, I feel that shit, nigga. That shit is fucking pain, nigga. Check game.
The ups and downs, twist and turn around. I done goddamn remain thorough. Regardless of what the fuck was gonna happen, shit. I knew I was protected. And everything happened in divine timing. You feel me? Because the nature of this God right here, the nature of me is to know I can do better and I can be better. However you take that shit better than you.